Welcome back to my Project 13. Little Van Halen this afternoon for my afternoon drive for the afternoon vlog. Hope everybody's having a great day. Had to take an alternate route. The normal way I go home, power outage. They're trying to fix the situation, so I'm going home a different way. Either way, again, I just hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks for stopping on by, hanging out with me for a few moments. Yesterday over at Twitter, I posted a link, a full unboxing of the Google Pixel 3 XL. Yeah, a full unboxing. These aren't just pictures. These aren't screenshots, which we've seen all of those. This is the full unboxing. Even pic samples. The young lady unboxing the Google Pixel 3 XL is even taking selfies of herself. So over at Twitter, at Anthony131368, you can find that link. I'll post it down below. But I'm sure many of you have already seen this video. You've seen the one that I posted, or you've seen it throughout the web over at YouTube. It's everywhere. I'm just gonna play it again. Okay? I'm just gonna throw it out there again because I'm talking about it, and I want to know what your take is on this full unboxing. I mean, there's really not a whole heck of a lot more that we need to know about this device. One thing for sure, it's got one of the ugliest notches I've ever seen on a smartphone, and it's got a lot of bezel at the bottom. Like, what's that all about? Like, if it couldn't get any uglier on top, they had to give you a huge thick bezel at the bottom to make it even worse. And it's not even a really hefty, healthy spec device. With what they're releasing right now in the smartphone world, specs are getting pretty hefty out there. The Google Pixel 3 XL, it's not going to be heavily spec'd for what they're going to probably charge for this device. Should be over $900, could be $1,000, I don't know. Because that's the only thing we don't know about the Google Pixel 3 XL. When they finally announce this device, all they're going to have to do is tell us the price point of both devices, the Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL. Haven't seen anything on the Google Pixel 3. Have you? If you have, leave that information down below. But yeah, you're just gonna have to walk out on stage, give us a couple price points, and then take a bow and walk off the stage. So let me know if this makes you upset. I mean, are you upset that we're not just getting leaks? We're getting more than leaks now. We're getting basically the announcement before the announcement through leaks, pictures and video. We're getting all this way ahead of the actual game itself. Okay, this is the pre-game, and it's full of information, not just a little bit. Okay, it's like trailers, movie trailers these days. You get excited about a movie that's coming out because they give you a lot in a trailer. It's like little mini movies. Sometimes though, the trailer has everything that you probably wish they would have waited for you to see in the movie, because all the good parts are in the trailer. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? I had to find a way to say all that. Anyway, let me know how you feel about the leaks today in 2018. Where they used to be and what they are now. What they used to be and where they are now. What we used to get compared to what we're getting now. Man, if I could just get all of that right. This is a one-take video, so. But I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say. That's outside of the video that you're about to watch. I guess that's the question of the day in this vid. If I was to have a question of the day, which that's not the way the video started. How do you feel about that? Do you care? Does it piss you off? Are you happy? Are you excited that you're able to see all of this information visually? Not just read about it, but visually beforehand, before the major announcements? Because I think going forward, this is what it's going to be like, man. It's going to get worse. No mystery. All the magic's gone. I don't know, man. You let me know down below what you think. You can just answer the question and not watch the video. Because like I said, most of you probably already seen the video. I don't know. Anyway, that's all I wanted to talk about. If you are not following me over at Twitter, that's Anthony131368. Please do that. And subscribe to Team My Project 13. Hit the notification bell. Leave a thumbs up if you like the videos. Check out a few vids before you join. And if you dig what you're seeing, you can become a team player, team member, and then a team player. And then share on all your social media. Alright, so let me know. Google Pixel 3 XL. What do you think of the unboxing? Does it make you angry? Does it get you excited to know this all beforehand? You don't care? The mystery is gone. There was something else I wanted to say and I cannot remember for the life of me. I don't know. I'm sure I'll remember as soon as I turn off my LG G7. As soon as I hit that stop button. As soon as I hit it. I don't know. If there's anything else you want to talk about, leave it down below. Alright, here's the video. Check it out. No, I'm not late to the game. I just wanted to talk about it. Wanted to hear what your thoughts are. Peace. God bless. I'm out.